Yeah, man, it's your boy.
Yeah.
Young Howard, man.
Look at this big nigga. Big fat nigga. Wearing fucking blue. What look like you
bitch ass nigga.
Shoes. This nigga's a bum. Nigga fucking bum. His mother licked my balls. Nigga fucking bum. He always ball. Yeah. He wanna beat his me. I'm gonna kill you.
Niggas got this though. None of y'all got this though.
He ain't got shit. He fat with rolls on the back of your shit. Now, he wanna come at me, but he can't. I'ma tell him shit. Now he can't. Man, fuck what I said. Fuck. Yeah. Fuck what he said. It's gonna be what I said. It's like skin bitch ass nigga. No hands. He can suck on my dick. No hands. Yeah, that's how I do. Nigga, I got the flu. I'm sick. I chew. Oh, that's the mistake, right? Okay. You gonna walk over here. I'm in the hood. Smack DCD, nigga. Smack your mother.
Smack your mother.
Smack motherfucking DVD, bitch. Yeah. Let's fucking crack it, man. Ain't none of this other shit, man. Fuck these little lame ass niggas all day, man. Yeah. All day, man. Fuck these slob ass niggas, man. Yo. Who wanna freestyle battle me, son? Y'all wanna freestyle battle me? Wanna freestyle battle me? Look at this nigga sneakers. Oh man, I finished him. Let's go to the next subject. Now I was freestyling you. Yo, come on, Marty. You wanna freestyle battle me?